tungod sa pandemya sa coronavirus disease 2019, nahimong frontliners ang health workers, police, tanod, doctors ug nurses. Karon sila na ang lantawon isip last line of defense, samtang suda na mismo sa atong kaugalingon nga kita na karon ang frontliners batok COVID-19. Kini ang mensahe ni Provincial Task Force for COVID-19 Chairperson Dr. Jerry Kalingasan sa mga empleyado sa Kapitolyo, lakip si Governor Bambi Imano, atol sa ikadusi nga virtual flag raising ceremony. Mato ni Dr. Jerry Kalingasan, ang pagkaresponsable sa atong kaugalingon mao ay sikreto aron dili matakdan sa makamatay nga sakit.
We, the health workers, healthcare workers, are no longer your frontliners. We are your last line of defense. You, my fellow people, are the frontliners now. The war has shifted to the community, and it is up to you. This cannot be won in the confines of the hospital. You are now responsible for protecting yourself, your family, the community, and our country, the Philippines. Lifted restrictions does not mean carelessness and that life is back to normal. For all of you who's listening to me today, be responsible.
Ako si Lambo Ethel Ipanag, alang sa limpyo ug matarong nga panggobyerno, padayon Pilipino.